Hello, welcome back. Data analysis and data visualization with Ninox. That's me, Birger Hansen. Please like, comment, subscribe. Today I'm going to talk about two-dimensional record values. This is part 3. I'm going to show example data. It's about putting numbers into perspective. There is a bonus, vaccination. And everything is done with Ninox as seen here. Give it a try. It's a really great tool. Okay, here we go. Interactive world map. I'm going to show a little preview. This is the data I'm looking at. It's the COVID-19 data from our world in data. They publish it every day. It looks like this. It's got very much, and it's got information about vaccination, which I had not included as of yet, but now I have. And this is the database, the result of that data, numbers, dates, and countries. We are looking at countries. This is the most interesting thing, of course, and here we are. The countries, it's colorful, and there's the vaccination. This is new vaccinations per million. There's the total vaccination. Let's see who is on top there. Israel, Seychelles, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States. Shout out to them, and shout out to Chile. Somewhat surprising there in the top 10. And let's have a look at Chile. The new cases, 7-day average. It is well above the global average. And here is the vaccination total. And it's, wow, it's impressive. We can zoom in a little bit. It's impressive as well. The new deaths there. It's not everything, it's not easy in Chile. Yeah. So let's go back there. And out of new cases per million, new deaths, total cases, vaccination, all that, I can do a ranking. Well, I did do a ranking. And it shows, and this is the top 10, top 20, top 30, top 40. Yeah, this is... Please contact me. I'm going to share details if you're interested in that. We look at Germany. This is vaccination effort. Impressive, but not as good as Chile. And here's the new cases. Better than Chile. Yeah, here is all days for, and this is the two-dimensional record values, and you can see it here. Yeah. Let's show you how it would normally look like. This, not so nice. And how do you know, is this big or not big? 156.139. Well, if you do it two-dimensional, you can see it's not big. But on the other hand, diabetes, well, that is bigger. Yeah, you wouldn't have known that from, but this is great. I love it. Let me show you how it's done. Oh, should I show the code? Why not? Please don't nick it. If you want more information, please contact me. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment. And here is the code. It's easy. There is a function there called mySliderText. And it takes two parameters, my value, this is a number between 0 and 100, and then some number or text. Yeah, really easy. And the global function itself is easy as well. If you've got questions, please don't hesitate. I like this very much. I think it saves space as well, and it's not that. Yep, I like it. And you've got it's I mean, it's perfect. Let's let's wrap up the things here with some more global data, which I think is encouraging. The new cases worldwide, and look at this. Look how the new cases worldwide is going down. This is a global effort. This makes me happy. I don't know why. I believe in humanity again. I like it very, very much. Cases have dropped by half. Next time, the interactive world map. Gonna show a preview of that. It's gonna look something like this, and then you can click on any country. This is me. Please like, subscribe. What else? Send me a mail. Get in contact. Show me your projects. I'm really interested. Have a good day, and see you.